Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is clarity. So, what exactly does clarity mean? Well, clarity, as a C1 level noun, refers to the quality of being easily understood or the quality of being expressed in a way that is easy to understand. It implies a state of being clear, precise, and unambiguous. In everyday language, we use clarity to describe situations where things are presented in a straightforward and easily comprehensible manner. For example, a speaker with clarity presents their ideas in a way that leaves no room for confusion. A written document with clarity avoids jargon and complex sentence structures, ensuring the reader understands the message effortlessly. Think of it as the opposite of muddiness or vagueness. Let's explore some synonyms that capture the essence of clarity. We have words like lucidity, transparency, and precision. Lucidity suggests a clear and easily understood presentation, often referring to thought or expression. For example, the professor explained the complex theory with remarkable lucidity. Next, we have transparency, which implies openness and honesty, allowing for easy understanding. A company might strive for transparency in its financial dealings, ensuring that all information is readily available and easily understood by investors. Our third synonym, precision, emphasizes accuracy and exactness, leaving no room for ambiguity. A scientist might use precision in their measurements to ensure the accuracy of their experiments' results. Now, let's turn our attention to antonyms, words that represent the opposite of clarity. Antonyms include ambiguity, vagueness, and obscurity. Ambiguity refers to uncertainty or inexactness of meaning in language. For example, the politician's statement was full of ambiguity, leaving the public unsure of their stance on the issue. Vagueness, on the other hand, describes a lack of definiteness or detail. The instructions were so full of vagueness that nobody could follow them properly. Lastly, obscurity suggests the state of being unknown, unclear, or difficult to understand. For example, the poet's work was marked by obscurity, making it challenging for readers to grasp the underlying meaning. Now, let's consider how clarity is used in everyday life. Imagine you're giving someone directions. You wouldn't want to be vague. You'd want to provide directions with clarity. You might say, "Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light. It's the blue building on the right." That's clarity in action. Or suppose you're explaining a complex concept to a friend. You'd strive to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts, using simple language to ensure clarity. Clarity is also essential in communication at work. When writing emails or giving presentations, strive for clarity in your messaging to avoid misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. Now for usage examples. Here's a sentence. The judge demanded clarity in the witness's testimony. Another example, the clarity of the water in the lake was stunning. And one more. For the sake of clarity, let's review the key points again. And a phrase, with perfect clarity, or lack of clarity. Here are a few more sentences. The teacher provided clarity on the confusing topic. I appreciate the clarity in your explanation. She sought clarity before making a decision. He spoke with such clarity that everyone understood him. We need clarity on the project timeline. The instructions lacked clarity. There was a surprising clarity to her vision for the future. He longed for clarity in his life. The lawyer sought clarity on the complex legal matter. The clarity of the image was remarkable. The clarity of her argument won over the audience. He needed clarity on the situation before he could make a decision at 3 p.m. In conclusion, clarity is the quality of being easily understood, a characteristic vital in communication, problem-solving, and decision-making. We explored synonyms like lucidity, transparency, and precision, and contrasted them with antonyms such as ambiguity, vagueness, and obscurity. Remember, Striving for clarity in your communication can lead to greater understanding and fewer misunderstandings. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of clarity enlightening. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoy Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and allows us to continue bringing you engaging and informative content. As a challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word clarity and share it as a comment under the video. I'm eager to see your creative examples. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.